Oh, where'd my tunes go? Did I lose them? Or are my fans just that loud? There are my tunes. Perfect. Okay. Ready Confetti, hello. Thank you for the multiple sticky notes. If you plays the game, thank you for the Eton Yixits. Oh, that was gross to say. And hi Super Sucko, thank you for the head pats. How are you? How are we? Happy early Thanksgiving to those in the US, to those who celebrate. Yeah. It's kind of fucking me up because me and my family have gotten into the habit of not doing holidays on the day that they actually are. So for me, I had my family gathering Thanksgiving like 2 weeks ago. So I'm like, oh shit, yeah. Oh, River the Rip, hi! How are you? Been a while indeed. Welcome. How are you? Oh, I got my hot tea. Got a hot tea, and then maybe when that runs out, I also have a cold. I have an iced tea. Anyway, I'm planning for drinks that I don't even know how long this stream is going to be. I don't even know what I'm doing. I completely forgot to rename this stream before I started. So I don't think I'm doing more input stuff. I renamed it to I don't know what I'm doing. Thanksgiving 2 weeks early. Yeah. Yeah. It just happened to be when everyone in my family was free, cuz or like was able to get the time off, I guess. I don't know. A lot of people in my family work not strange jobs, but like strange hours, I should say, and it's hard to get everybody on the same what's its butt. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. So, what am I doing? What am I doing today? I have a list. Where's my list? Notepad, please. Okay, yeah, there's a couple things we can do. I just have to figure it out. Do we go into the modeling thing, which will then go into the lighting thing? That's probably a big thing to do. That's also a big thing to do to finish up my coat patterns. These are kind of combined. I kind of don't care about that if I'm being honest. Or do I guess, well, okay, so let me just write down things I could do right now. Things I can do right now. We could make coat masks. We could, so I think input I'm pretty set, but we could do transition anim, which would include camera move, input to trigger move. This is probably a bigger thing, which means I should probably tackle it first. Input to trigger move. And a blueprint work. Okay, so now that I'm writing it, I think I should do that. But I could also model lights and fix lighting setup. Okay. I think those are the big things because the transition anim would also include trigger texture pan on noodles. Yeah. Because that's also slightly related to sleepy anims. Okay, let's focus on that then, because that's kind of a bigger project. and it'll occupy more of my time. Because maybe when I'm maybe when my brain doesn't want to work, I can do some of this other stuff. But since I'm feeling okay, let's tackle the big thing. And obviously, if I don't want to do the big thing, I find out later I don't want to do the big thing, we'll do a small thing. So, okay. So, yeah, I think this is where I left off last, actually. Because I had my anim blueprint. And I have the Uppies anim in here just as a blend and not playing. But it seems like I need some sort of like I need to figure out. Ooh, hold on. Oh dear. Stand by. Wrong thing. There we go. Okay. We're so back. What was I doing? Oh. Move 5. And then blueprint. Yeah, I think this is what I want. I think I need to figure out how this works. I know what a blueprint is. I can create it. Do I care about this? No. Yeah, create the state machine. Yes, please. Okay, so these are your states then. This is weird. So what? That's your... Oh wait. No, that's the full graph. Okay. Where did you put an idle though? Well, that can be... This looks like it can be a pose too. Which I think would be great. Because I need a really simple version of this. I need a really simple version. So, right, it's in my anim graph. I need a state machine. How do I make you? Just like that? Yes. Because I think I'm really only gonna have one. Entry. Let's follow this guy and say, like, idle. Or, like... freeze it. Oh! Oh! Oh, this is a separate thing. Oh, this is kind of neat. Okay. Hold on. Give me my anim graph back. Nope. That's not it. Anim graph. Okay. So let's try something. Because I think my tree sit can truly just be a long boy. Play Uppies anim. Or yeah, play Uppies anim at play rate of 0. Right? Because that's just sitting. So let me just try something here. Hi Starman, how are you? What if I put this here? Okay. Well, that looks right. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you're taking away my gun. Tired? Oh my gosh, same. Same here. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of a crazy Crazy day. And not like in a good way. It's kind of a bad day. I don't have many bad days in my life. Sometimes I really do. And sometimes it fucking sucks. I guess I just consider myself quite fortunate that well, hold on. Should entry be sleepy? I don't have a sleepy anim. Maybe I should make that. Because then sleepy goes into fuck. Wait, hold on. Let me figure out how this works. Idle to movement. Oh, I see. You can go into that or back. Oh god. Okay, this is confusing to me. So sleepy to tree sit. So I can go back and forth, right? I do. I do have tomorrow off. And Friday actually. I have the 4-day weekend, which certainly makes it nicer. Okay. So then what is this exactly? Oh, this is what triggers, I guess. Current velocity is less than or is equal to whatever. Oh, equal to 0, then you're stationary. Huh. Okay, well this makes sense to me, but then how do I get inputs into that? Oh, I guess the input changes the velocity. Oh, I see. Hi. Okay. I mean, this is still what I want. Then I can go between those, and then I need another state, which is uppies. Very good naming conventions here. So then uppies has to be uppies. Play uppies. A play rate of 1, do not loop. Well, how did that happen? How did that happen? Where's my fucking... There it is. That's running. Oh, I don't have a sleepy. Oh. Okay. Maybe I should make a sleepy anim. Well, hold on. Maybe I don't want that. Maybe sleepy can be triggered separately. Ah. Tree sits to uppies will never be taken. Please connect something. Please connect something to can enter transition. Just always check it. Sure, I don't care. Aha. Is this what that one thing was trying to show me? I feel like this is in my history. Let me just find it real quick. Right, I totally looked this up. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, okay. This is like somewhat old, but right click. Okay, so then this gets these values on update animation. Oh, okay, and then you just plug them in. Oh, okay. That makes more sense. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so FB's tree sit. So then this... Okay, hold on. I already have my pawn blueprint that does all this shit, right? I'll fix that. So don't do that. Delete. Ascend. See, do I want that on the controller? Or do I want that... Well, either we can figure that out. Because either way, I'm triggered. I need this value. Well, hold on a second. Where's my ascend? It is pressed. Okay. So I basically just needed to send this value. Or sorry. Set like a ascend trigger. Right, well, hold on, because this will only send true. Right? What do we do here? This uses like a delay. Okay. Hmm. Is there like a... I'm triggered to... Okay, so maybe I can do this. Let me just try this. On completed. Then see if it goes to none or false. And print. Print ascend trigger. Like, just show me what that is. Where's my controller? There it is. So maybe I am doing more input stuff, actually. Okay, I think I used the X key for this, so let me just try. X. Okay, see, we're only printing true. We gotta put our thinking cap on. can I also do a released? I don't know if I can do both. Oh, you know what? No. These are inputs. Okay. So delete that. Wait. So there's one trigger for pressed, one trigger for release. Does that make sense? Can I save that and put that here? Triggered seconds, action seconds. Okay, hold on a second. Stand by. So that's my button. Ah, okay. So maybe I can actually get rid of this one. What's up? She's what? Great. What a baby. So I think ascend will be... Yeah, so one will be pressed. But then I'll make another one, which is also this. But my trigger will be released. And I will negate this. Does that make sense? Maybe. Let's try it. Oh, I'm a Torty. Hi, Woobert. How are you? So then that becomes... Okay, so then I think that makes sense. If I press play, and I press and release. Press, release. Press, release. Awesome. Because it only sends one true, and it only sends one false, which is amazing. So let's try to plug this in, right? There was a cast here, I think. Yeah, so that sets all the variables, right? There was something where it would cast. Looks so... Is that... Lucius? Luscious? This one? It's a shame we're in Spaghetti Land instead. Spaghetti Land! Okay. So then this is in... Oops. I really wish I could just fucking see this. Okay, so this is in the Anim blueprint. Cast to character. Okay. And then I have to pull in the... Oh, I see. Oh, thank you for the follow. E2M9227. Thank you, I appreciate that. How are you? Welcome in. Okay, so event graph. What is this on? This is on... Oh, this is on blueprint. Okay, that's annoying. I mean, it's fine, but it's annoying. So I got the wiggly bits. Trust videos? Whoa. Very good streak. Very good. So I got that. What I also need is to cast as well. Cast to is I think it's Cam Pawn? Okay, and I never know what to fucking put in here. What is that? Try get pawn owner. Well, no, I see. Try get pawn? Which would be no debug data. Yeah, so my cast is always gonna fail. Yeah, cast is failing. That makes sense. So instead, what did we do? What did we do to cast before? It was like it was a get player pawn? Is that right? Oh. Yeah, because this isn't my owner. This isn't an owner thing. This is like a get actor of class, which is cam pawn. Okay, so maybe this is a begin play sort of situation, because that's not going to change. So get my blueprint, right? Or sorry, get my pawn. Set that as a variable. Get that. And plug that in to here. Note is already, you don't need to cast to it. Oh. Okay. Never mind then. Wait, well then what the fuck? Why would I set it up like this? Is it because it has to update every time? I guess so. Well, hold on a second. Let's try without it. Where the f— there it is. So, the transition from tree sit to uppies will have to be, delete that, right? I don't need that. Wait. No, this one is what I want. And then I need to do get ascend trigger and do that. Maybe? Compile? Save? Press my button? Oh wait, I can probably only do it in here. Press my button? Okay, cool. Uh-oh. Access none. Trying to read property. Oh, I don't care about that. Wait, yes I do. Trying to read real property. Where? Who though? Where? Oh, okay. Is it because it's not always there? I feel like I've seen this before. Right, because I don't want to have to get this actor every fucking time, right? That doesn't make any sense. This guy. What am I trying to do? I like totally lost my train of thought, like completely. Because I have the button. Oh, I was trying to troubleshoot. Because we were accessing none on get pawn. Like, is it as easy as, like, is valid? Well, no, that doesn't make sense, right? I don't even know if I can put that in here. No, not really. It doesn't really have an execute thingy. Well, why would it come up as nothing, though? Access none. Trying to read cam pawn. Why are you accessing none, though? Because you're working. You're doing what you're supposed to do. Right? Is it because it starts with nothing? Do I have a cam pawn in here? No, I have to spawn it in. I mean, that's probably why it wants me to pull this stuff on. Well, yeah, wait a second. Is this why I cast? Hold on. I think I'm being really stupid. I already can cast. I already know how to do that. But that I get for free because it's already doing the Try the init event. Init in place of begin play. You can also use validated to get the update node. What? Init? Oh, initial. Oh. Is this what you're talking about? That probably makes sense, actually. Right, if I stop it. Ah, it still does it. Boo. Access none trying to read property in blueprint cam pawn. Yeah, so it's definitely in there. Yeah. It's like saying it can't read this even though it totally can. Right? Because you have a default value. You just are. Why would you read none but only once? Right? Like, if I press the button, it doesn't do it, right? Yeah, it only throws it once, which is weird. But it also didn't do what I told it to do. What? Hold on, just for shits. Does it work when I do that? Yeah. What? Strange. Strange that it didn't want to do that. And if that still fails, you can just get the variable and right click and turn it to validated and put it right after update node. Wait, put it right after update node. Oh, update? You just get the variable and right click. Oh, I see. Are you saying that I can get my ascend trigger and what, right click? No. Right click and turn it to validated? I was in like check if it's valid? Like if that exists? Oh, right click this. Ha. Wait, in the very maybe it's over here. Nope. Oh, convert to valid get. Oh. Oh! That's amazing. I did not know that that existed, so I can be like, literally, if it's valid, then continue. If it's valid, then continue, maybe set that as a variable in here. Oh, it's not valid. Oh, because nothing's there. Beep. Still getting an error. What the fuck? Oh wait, maybe it's because I have something weird somewhere. It might be that. Hold on. Oh, yeah, no, it's totally that. Hold on. Yeah, I didn't fix this. Because then that can become this. Right? Because we're no longer directly reading from that. Save. Play. Beep. No error. Yippee! Thank you. I didn't say hi to you either, Marengo. How are you? we just jumped right into troubleshooting. Okay. That makes sense actually. So don't print. Don't do that shit. Well here can I make a custom event in an anim blueprint? I don't know if I can do that. Or sorry, custom. Oh, I can. Okay, so maybe my only thing is I don't want it to set this variable like on every frame. Although I'm setting a lot of shit on every frame, so maybe it's not the end of the world, but I was kind of hoping I could custom event it. And I could say send triggered, get that if you can, and then set that. Well, no. Wait, maybe. 1 second. Because then I'd probably have to... Can I pull an anim blueprint in here to communicate between them? Maybe this doesn't make any sense. We'll rename that to something nicer if it makes sense. Hi Salem, how are you? Get. Oh. Oh. Did you see that? I thought this shit just fucking flickered. Uh-oh. Okay, then don't do that. Get rid of that. Yeah, what the fuck is that? It like flickered for a second. Anyway. You can get the anim instance and cast. Oh, cast, I see. You need to get the anim instance from the animated actor. Oh, okay. Oh, so I could get this blueprint, I guess, which has the animated actor? I suppose? Yeah, what sucks is that it's not... The animated actor is not in my pawn. Which is a little bit silly. Which means I guess on... Is any of this on begin play? Yeah, it is. So like on begin play... Like maybe that just becomes... You can get the anim instance. Okay, so maybe I'd have to get... I name it? New. Okay. Get actor of class, which is new. For now. And then cast? That doesn't make sense. Yeah. Get anim instance. See, but anim instance of what? Okay. It doesn't have anything. Animation or anim execution context structure. What's up?
Do you know who Lisa Long is?
No.
Broadway actress, singer for Mulan and Jasmine.
Okay.
I watched her wedding from her year.
Yeah? You send it to me?
Sure.
Oh, you want to show me now?
I sent it.
No, we'll watch it now. Okay. Yeah? Sorry, yeah, stand by. You need to ref the scale mesh component. Oh, like make that a variable or? Sorry, I'm just gonna mute for a second. I'll be right back. All right, we went down the musical rabbit hole a little bit, but we're so back. Okay, get anim instance returns an animation blueprint. You'll need to cast to your anim blueprint to access the variables. Oh, hmm. Yeah, wait a second. I run my character's face, modify bone, and the anim blueprint from the character blueprint using animins. Oh, okay. Are they? Is your character over here though? I think. Yeah, hold on a second. Maybe I'm not understanding. Is a skeletal mesh? Oh, is a function? Oh, okay. So I have to get the skeletal mesh component? Like, is that something as simple as setting it as a variable and just saying that's what I want to edit? Because I think that's what's annoying, is that I'm trying to set it. Well, I guess maybe the pawn doesn't have to have all of my controller stuff in it, but it kind of does right now. Oh. I was aggressive. Like, I'm wondering if I can do skeletal mesh component, and I can literally just say, yeah, I want it to happen on my long boy. You should create a ref to noodle and begin play at the camp on. Okay. Head pat to make up for it. Well, it was funny, so you were already forgiven, but you should create a ref to noodle at the begin play in the campaign. Okay, so I will create. Oh, I see. I can. As in, I can get. What? What? It's the 26th. Get actors of class with tag. Oh, then I'd probably just have to add a tag because I don't have one. Tag is optional. Oh, sick. So then, am I looking for? No, I'm looking for a blueprint class or a blueprint type of thing. Which means I need the new, right? Get that. Right? Because there's only one in the scene. Hi.
This is okay. We'll check.
Yeah. Should be fine.
I made a mistake.
Yeah, it should be fine. Okay. You'll need a node without. Oh. Oh, I see. Just get. Wait. As in get actors of class? Like get that or use that one instead? Oh, there it is. Get all actors of class. Okay. Yep. Yippee. What's up? What you doing?
Moping.
Moping?
Moping.
Can I help with the moping? Do you need anything? Oh, yeah, I guess I could. I guess I could use the single one because there's only one in the scene. Yeah. No, there will be only one. Oh, so I can get actor of class. Say new. What? I keep getting distracted. Alright, we're so back.
Charger?
No. Okay. You can save this as a parameter, get the skeleton. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Does that mean I can just get my... Right, because that's a skeletal mesh, right? Like, just get that? Maybe? Maybe, because I don't think I'd need it to get anything else in here. Because, like, if I needed to get more than just that, I'd probably... Then I'd set this as its own variable, but I don't think that makes sense. Get an instance. Yee. Okay. Yeah, that works. Cool. So then, honestly, I can set that, right? Oh, shit, yeah, you're so right. Wait, would I cast here? Or would I cast, when I actually, like, hit the button? Or does it matter? Do I cast on begin play? Because otherwise I'd set it as a variable on begin play. And then cast on the event. Cast right there to change... Oh, change the type. Oh, okay. So wait, if I cast to... Don't save as instance... Oh, I assume that's what you mean. Don't do that. Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, duh. Okay. Cast to init. Oh, wait. Cast to BP? Aha. Okay. Do that. Oh. Oh, and then I can set it here. Right, because that's my blueprint, right? Because I imagine I can get my... Ha. You're so right. You're so right. That makes sense. Okay. Promote that to... cat ABP. No space, because I don't like it. There we go. You're so right. You're so right. You're so right. Amazing. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the help. Delete that first. Right, because then I don't need to do that directly. It is not in use. Shut up. Oh, maybe it was in use over here, but we'll get that sorted. That's fine. So I guess then I can get that and set a send trigger here. Or can I... Wait, hold on. The whole point of this was to see if I could get my event. Ah, I can. Ads. Ooh, ads. Okay, so then that means hopefully I can get my Boolean input. Oh wait, then maybe I could do this. Welcome back. Maybe I don't have to get it at all. Like, can I just do that? I mean, worth a try, right? Just do that, do that. Maybe? Let's try it. Display a boink. Aha! That is a nay. What did I do? Print. See if it's getting that. What's going on out there? Can you hear it? You can also close the window. People are fucking yelling out there. Hmm. Boop. Aha, so it's not getting it. Hi, Geo. Welcome. We're doing silly shit. Silly shit. So if I do... Can I print? Triggered in pawn. When? I can do trigger in pawn, and then I can print triggered in ABP. Just to see if it's triggering, like, at all. Oh. My controller died. That would fucking do it. Did you get the camera working? I think so. I don't remember. I think so. There we go. Oh, awesome. Back from Mana Blueprint and search, set, ascend trigger. You can set the variable directly without an event. Oh, okay, yeah, wait, that might make more sense. Get that shit out of here. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah, because it's just trying to read that. Okay. That, okay. I think that makes sense to me. Okay, why is my screen flickering? What? No thank you. Okay, yeah, so then don't do that. I'm gonna say, send. Yeah, so set that variable and just do that. And just hope and pray that that works. Right, because I guess by default it's trying to read that no matter what. Yippee! So I think that... Did I seriously set them both to say trigger and pawn? Oh no, I got rid of that. Ha! Never mind. Delete. Okay, awesome. That makes so much sense. Hi, Prismal Person. Okay. Great. Okay, so that's a good way to do that. Yes, thank you. This makes so much sense to me, because I think the thing that it was having me do was, like, set all of those all the time on update animation, and that just didn't make any sense to me. I had news we might be getting another... Ooh! Another one! Who have you converted? Okay, so then I don't have to bring this in at all then. I don't need this. At least right now I don't. Because we're pulling it into the pawn instead of pulling the pawn in here. Okay. We're gonna change up the music. Because I think this might be what's getting me a little overwhelmed right now. Okay, let's try that. But yes, Geo, tell me all about it. Tell me all about it. Okay, so that's all that stupid shit. Was teaching Nisha some fundamentals to get her started. Oh, wait, hold on. What is she streaming in now? I thought it was 3D, is it not? Or maybe I'm getting confused. Okay, but either way, we have the most basic of basic little animation trees going. So what I'm realizing too is for anim, I also need a descend anim. If you really want to be overwhelmed, then listen to Night on Ball. No, thank you. I appreciate it, but no, I will not be doing that. Let's see. So I think what I also have to do on ascend... Okay. Here's the other thing I was thinking. Does Blender mostly in some Unity? Oh, one of us. One of us. I don't think we ever stream at the same time, so I'm like... I don't tune in very often. Okay. this also slows down. I don't remember that being the case in Maya. Maybe it is. Let's check. Oh, my eyes. Oh, boy. A few hours earlier. Yeah. Oh, we're getting wide. Hi, Mixie. How are you? Okay. So, where are my controls? It's this one, right? Does that have animation on it? It does. Okay. Does it actually do anything? Oh, it does. Kind of. Why does this break now? What the fuck? Okay. Whatever. Oh, I see. That like goes all the way up. I don't want that. What is this? Why is there a duplicate? Go away. I'm so wide. And the bubble. Whoa. That shader breaks a little bit, doesn't it? It's fine. Okay. So, let me get this. Where's our cat tree again? Oh, I put it in the center, didn't I? So then I think I just need probably there. Whatever fucking translation we're at here. At like 12. Oh wait, shit, not that one. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, where's that? Who is that? Why are you in gray box export? What? What the fuck? How did you get there? That is not where you belong. That cannot be right. What the? Oh my gosh, so much is going on. Play Minecraft while listening to stream. Oh yes, of course. Oh, okay. What? Okay. Thanks for inventing 4D. Honestly, my brain is in 4D right now. And not in like, I know what I'm doing sense. Very much in a... What the fuck? Why do you have a key there? Go away. Right? Like if I move this... Yeah, that moves. Okay. So... Make it less than that. Right there. Hello. What a baby. Okay. Yeet. She says yeet. Okay, so then do that. Can I frame these up a little bit? Okay, whatever. I would like for it to noom, you know? Hate everything. So then I'm really not able to see this animation. So that's 30 frames. Yeah, why does this suddenly not want to fucking show me anything? Why are you having rendering problems? What's going on? Like, I'm just trying to figure out if this looks good. config not rendering on play. Turning off the what? Oh. Ah. Fucking hell. What does this button even mean? I don't even know. Oh. Well, that did it. Okay. Meow. 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 I think that has to be like what, 45 frames? Well, we're playing at 24, I guess. Meow. See, now that's really slow. Okay. I just have to tweak this a little bit. Sitting like an idiot again. How about we do this instead? Okay, but that looks really slow. Like I think it's just a limitation of how high I can go with this little Geo, which is so annoying. Hi Geo. I'm just realizing how strange that is. Yeah, it's really annoying. I guess maybe it has to be at 30. No, I hate that. I hate that being at 30, actually. Hey, baby! What if I put it at 40? Yeah, because that at least gives the... that's gonna look like shit if I'm a tabby. Smooth. That's so strange looking. Oh, God. Okay. Can I try this? Export the joints, export the geometry. Export selection. Can I do at long piece anim version 2? Export animation. Probably bake. I don't know. Makes sense to me. Hi Nix. How are you? Skin definition. That's fine. I don't think I care about that. Okay. Just see if it imports. Skeins. It feels better, just fixed an error that's been bugging me all morning. Nice. Nice. That's always a good feeling. Yeah, well. So... Aha, okay. So I do have that. Can I import animation? Import, there we go. Import only animations. Import. Is that cowbell? Mm-mm. Maybe I'm being crazy. Because that almost looks fine. Turns out all I needed was a wait timer of 1 second. Oh, don't you hate that? Don't you hate that? Where's my blueprint? Oh, I was just there. So how's about instead on Uppies? We play Uppies 2. And also, I guess this one too. Even though they're the same. Compile save. Oh, they're gone. Where am I? There I am. Okay, so if I press play. Oh, where did I go? Where did I go? It was just working. But I can now log every user that chats in chat. Soon I can compete with free. Fuck yeah! And by compete, I mean do something similar. That's competition. What do I hate? I don't know. What do you hate? Did I fuck something up here? No looping. Yeah, because that's fine. That's fine. Why would suddenly changing the animation thing get rid of me? Am I just somewhere else? Oh my god, I am. Oh no, it saved that fucking offset. Fuck. Why did it... Okay. I think that being the case... That being the case... Oh, thank you for head pats. I think that being the case, I think my master controller should just honestly be at 0. Like, if I'm gonna place this anyway... Oh. Wait, why the fuck is that? How did I break my rig? What the fuck happened? Is it because this isn't... Like, does that just have to go under FK controls? Where's my master control? Yeah, okay, that's something. Yeah, that being the case, I'm literally just gonna do that and put it in the center. What the fuck? Oh. Why do you go down now? Why do you go down? This is so stupid. Okay. Can probably afford to get away with up here, or maybe there. Okay. Because then I don't have to place anything, and that's okay. Save. Okay. Now I select joints, now I select geometry, and now I save as whatever the fuck I called it, version 2. Yes. Yes, thank you, I know. And then I say re-import. So hopefully this will put me in the fucking center. Oh no, that actually puts me there. Oh my god. Okay. Then I press my button. Whee! That's really slow. I don't go up very high. I should sleep. Yes, go sleep. Go sleep. Sleep is good. Okay. So I should honestly get rid of those prints. Why is that so slow? That feels really slow. I guess because I extended it. Yeah, okay. I do actually think that having it 10 frames shorter was the good idea, so maybe I should just stop doing things. Maybe give it like that. Also shout different from... Is that how that works? Oh my gosh, I see. I feel so silly sometimes where I just like don't fucking understand some basic shit that's going on. Let's call it 35. Because hopefully that should feel better. I don't know, does it? Okay, so how about you don't fucking loop? Continuous loop. Play once, there it is. Because I basically need to be able to start. Maybe I just need less of an ease in. Let's try that. Where is my translate? Why is nothing here? Oh, there's. So maybe it needs to not necessarily start from like a 0, 0. Kind of just like ascend like that. What does that look like? Maybe that's too much? I don't know. Because what I would really like is this for to go like even higher, but I kind of can't do that. I kind of can't do that. Hi, the Big Lee. How are you? I can definitely afford to do like this. No, man. Oh, shit. It does feel quite late, doesn't it? That kind of feels okay. Yeah? Maybe I could do something silly like that and wind up to it. That might actually be a little silly. Maybe I'll do that. So maybe not like that, but kind of make sure that's flat and then add a key. Like add a, fuck. Add a key. Fuck. Add a key. Add a key like there. Oh wait, where are my fucking buttons? There they are. Give me the fucking editor again. There, right? No. What the fuck is that? Get rid of that then. What's going on? Frame 3? Maybe? Nyong. Nyong. Because then it's just a matter of... Right, because I can do that. Auto. And that can be that. Okay, let's try exporting it. See what happens. It'll be flopping. We be ascending is what we be. Away from this mortal plane. Okay, save this. Export this. What code is that? I mean, that's gonna be a tabby, but that's the masked version. That's the masked version, just so that I can split the colors in a way that makes sense. Okay, re-import. Why does it, like, import looking really fucking slow? Give me you, stop. It makes sense, but like, okay. Oh, did I say tabby? I meant tuxedo. I think that's a tuxedo one. Show me just that, please. I guess it's just like a slow up instead of a faster up. Like, is that just like a... shit. How do I split my tangents? Can I do that? Break tangents, there we go. It just doesn't feel fast enough. Maybe it's just because we stay low for so long. Oh yeah, you're probably not going to be able to get this version. Because I think all I had was... All I had... I only have this in the new project. Something like that. Let's try that. Let's try that. Or maybe... maybe this can actually, like, almost go directly forward. Let's try that. See how that looks. Joints. Geo. File. Export selection. The same thing. Export. B. Re-import. Looks a little better. So if I press play then, and press my button, wow. Well, that's not... That doesn't go down nearly as much as I would like it to. Now that I see it in this frame. Okay. Yeah, because the lower I get it, the more I'm down there. And also the more that can kind of look like shit. I do really wish I could just make this go up higher. This shit's so annoying to me. Like, maybe I can, like, accompany some... No. I'm, like, wondering if there's a way I can cheat it, but I really don't think I can. Or I don't want to. Alright, save. Export. Again. Export. Again. Import. Again. It always looks fine there, but how does it look here? I kind of like it. Okay, I kind of like it. So, that works. And basically on that, when this happens, I also need, like, some sort of, I don't know if, like, a motion graphic makes sense, but I'm gonna write it as it is that graphic. Start transition, like whatever it is I do to transition between scenes. What else? I'll have to move cam to new location on and anim. Yeah, okay. So where's my... There it is. I think that this should also have... Because right now it starts on tree sit, which I think makes sense. I think makes sense. But from here, it should also make a sleepy. I need to go from sleepy. I need to go back and forth on that one. Everything okay? Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So I think what is a little annoying about this... Oh, okay. So we can do this, right? Maybe we'll make a very quick sleepy animation. Very quick. I wish I could do a thing with like takes. Can I do that? Hold on. 1 second. Oh, no, I don't have to hide that. My animation takes. Oh god, now. Okay. Set up your first layer take by doing the following. Select what you want to animate. In the animation layer, select layers. Create override layer from... Oh, okay, this is override stuff. Okay. I think that makes sense. That being the case, can I put this on an animation layer? Create layer from selected, which is an override layer. So that's my base animation, right? So I think it makes sense to maybe copy these keys. Can I do that? Paste? Nope. Fuck that. Undo. Undo whatever the fuck I just did. Don't do that. Delete. Where'd my keys go? Okay, there. Can I copy? And then paste? And then delete down here? Layer mode, override. And call this puppies. So if I mute this, then it shouldn't do anything. What is that, though? Bro, what's that? Oh, I pasted that. I see. Yeah. Yeah. You can't see what I'm doing down here, but that's okay. So then I think what I can do is hopefully show the joints. And make another layer from that. And call it Sleepy. Make it override layer. Oh boy. Never mind. Okay. In that case, then these all need keys on them for start and end. Right, but if I do the neck, head, and do like the sleepy, like that. Okay. Guess I can include that one too. Nah. Is it funnier if I sleep like this or like this? Like if I'm like... I could sleep cute or I could sleep not cute. I will sleep cute. Maybe we'll sleep like that. Not even that high. Maybe just for fun, we should just copy paste this here and call that good. Then make that like double the length at least. Okay. This is literally just for, not for shits per se, but a little bit. Like I just need something. Hey, what are you doing? Okay. So let's see if this will even export. Nope. Maybe I should select what I want to export first. Joints, geo. See, that keys all of this though. Which I think, oh no, that should be fine actually, because we're sleeping here. Yeah, that should be okay, I think. Export. Sleepy. Did it not save? There it is. Import animations only. Okay, so there's my sleepy, which we will have to key. I guess we'd have to key the blend shapes as well, which is kind of annoying. But at least for now, I have something to blend between. Right, I know my sleepy. That's a play rate of 1, that is looping. Okay. So then that means that going into sleepy. Aha, okay, I know what I'm doing. Started using Blender. Ooh, 5.0. The plugins I use to be more Maya-like were working, but the main one randomly broke. Aw, boo. That's annoying. Okay, let's see. Okay. So this is a can enter transition, which if I want to do it on my keyboard or whatever, it's got all the key things. I don't know where else they're. Oh. Hold on a second. I need another one of these, I think. Duplicate. Call it sleepy. Yeah. Call it sleepy. Add it to the what's it called? Oh, so this should just be general controls because I'm adding more shit. And this should be descend, shit, sleepy. Stop it. Which I guess for now we'll put on the B key. I hate that it does this. Why do you do this? Hide. Go away. There's also the B key. This one is pressed. Huh? Oh, let's see. this one's pressed. This one is released and will be negated again. Save. Okay, that being the case, nope, we hop into our pawn and say sleepy. Aha, this is what we do. Aha, this is making sense. This is making sense. Okay. Duplicate this and call it sleepy trigger. Because this might just have to be like a toggle sort of deal. Get, connect. Yeah, and then we do the same thing. The fuck did I call it? Sleepy trigger. Oh my gosh, I keep sleepy trigger. Set sleepy trigger to be whatever this is. Compile, save, and this is not additive, so I would also probably have to set... Oh gosh, I think this is where it kind of gets annoying. Hold on, let me just try, see if this works. Oh, I am sleepy, but also it is additive. And then I can say goodbye. No, I can't. Pfft. Oh, wait, is that the way the tree works? Like I can't go up from sleepy? I think that makes sense. That makes sense now that I look at it, but... So then I need to do a sleepy to tree sit. Okay, so this is where it kind of gets a little complicated because I got the sleepy trigger. I almost need a flip-flop, don't I? Right, because it's either one or the other. I'm either transitioning from one or transitioning to the other. Like in that case, I would call this rename. Like sleepy to wake. Sleepy to, yeah, to wake. Or sit. Sleepy to sit. Compile. Sleepy to sit. And then I'd have to make another one. Sit to sleepy. Which would be this one. Get, sit to sleep. Nope, set. Fucking hell. Get, set. Set. Ooh. Oh wait, shit. This one, and then that one, and then this one. And see if that works. If I can just go back and forth with the sleepy. Go sleep. Wake up. No. Wake up. Fuck. You're not going back. Let's see if it's even flippy flopping. Print. Print. Go sleep. Sure, go sleep. Print. Shit. No, this is go sleep. Right. Because this is... Wakey. See if it's getting that. Go sleep. Oh. I have go sleep. That's wakey. Let's go sleep. That's wakey. Let's go sleep. Fuck. Okay. Oh, because it's triggering it twice. Okay. I see. Who's that? Listen. Listen. Your cat was howling. I hear it every so often. Yeah. It's very funny. Silly kid. Okay, anyway. Oh boy. So I might have to do the thing that I don't want to do, but I think might make sense. Let's make a function and call it trigger anim bool. Well, yeah, wait, this wouldn't need an input. I just wouldn't fucking care about that. Or wait, yes it would. I would need anim bool. Can I not? That doesn't make any fucking sense. What? Ugh, okay, get rid of that. We're not using it. Okay. No. The fuck is that? Go away. We got ads coming up. Hi, Lochno. Like, the fact that I have to set these... The fact that I have to set individual things is gonna make this a little annoying. Because I think what I have to do instead of doing this... break all pin links. So I think I have to copy paste and then add like a fucking delay, which is annoying. So then turn it on, turn it off. Right, because otherwise this is going to be triggered many times. Instead of doing like a flip-flop. So there might be a better way to do this in the future. But like, I'm going to try this for now. Turn it on, then turn it off. See if that does what I want it to do even. Because then I can clean it up and I can go through. Oh, I see. It sets it back to fucking... Okay. Oh, wait. Hold on, then. I don't need this. Surely, right? Because if that's set to true... Oh, well, then I just have to set the other one to false if I'm doing a toggle. Or set everything else to false, I should say. That way I can't stack animations like that, right? Just to test this first, though, like if I do this... Hey, yo! Ah, fuck. Hi, Maya, how are you? What are we up to? Tell me all about what you were doing. because I am suffering. Oh shit. Happy early Thanksgiving if you celebrate. Was playing the Trails in the Sky. Oh yeah, I've seen you stream that a couple times. Here and there. I got beans on me. What the fuck? Yeah. Okay, so if I press that, oh fuck. Oh, because this is triggered twice. Oh my god. The issue's here. Here. Because it's sending a trigger. Yeah, it's sending a trigger even when I release the button, which is dumb. It is dumb. Right, so I should be able to press, and I go sleepy. Will turn me off too. And then wake back up. Oh, good morning. Sleepy. Which I hope I can't. Yeah, there we go. Wake up. Ascend! Okay, got this going. Fuck yeah. Graffiti, yes. You must graffiti me, it's the rules. Them's the rules. Okay. I think that makes sense though. Because then I'd do an ascend and descend as well. Because that would be a flip-flop. Same button. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Okay. Okay, so I think the big thing I need to do now is in my anim graph. Okay, so what are the pride types? Take a guess. There's a list in there of the things that you can, of the pride types that exist. Let me see if I can do an exemple. Oh no, you already do an exemple. I've been buyed. Been bisexual. There was a time when I had a ton of these. I don't know if I actually packaged with that version. But yeah, all sorts of stuff. I need to reintroduce them into this project actually. That's a big thing I want to do. Okay, so sleepy? No. Uppy? No. I need tree sit. Sleepy? Fuck. Sleepy to sit. No, I need the other way. Sit to sleepy. I need to set... Well, okay, first of all, can I make, like, categories for this, please? I thought there was a way I could do that. Oh, category, yeah. Category should be, Wiggly Bits. Right, because then that belongs to Wiggly Bits. So does that, so does that, so does that. I think this all belongs to Wiggly Bits. And then this belongs in LiveLink rotes. Right, all my rotations that are pulled from LiveLink. This is honestly probably something that I should have done on the old project a long time ago, just organizing shit. That's old. Wiggle duration goes in Wiggly Bits. That goes in Wiggly Bits. And then these these are animals. What are you watching? Huh. Is there seriously no way for me to rename this as is? Ugh, that's so stupid. Okay. Because what I would love to do, by gender, with a question mark, I'm surprised that fucking worked. I made vanilla custard today, and I think I got, oh fuck. Yo, that's no joke, I'm sorry. That is not fun. Let me rename this. What am I trying to say? Because basically, because now we are, where's my graph? See, now we're doing all this blend. Oh, okay. I am asexual. My stomach's hurting, but that might be because I ate Skittles. But oh, that's not fun. Either way, not fun. So, okay. I have a blend weights, but if I set that to 0, what does that do? I think that just means that that means only this comes through, which doesn't make sense because I'm still getting that. Oh, well, oh shit, that's the face. Okay. Oh, okay. Sour Skittles are something I'm not allowed to have. Oh no. So I'm wondering if this actually makes sense to go after all of this. Fucking stop. Right? Like that's my where that's my blend pose. Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck. Break this link. And do like that. So, wait, what? Huh? Oh, wait. Huh? I'm confused. Custard was good. So many. Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot. Because I ate 2 large family size. Oh my god. Jesus. That's a lot. Because I only need this. Did I just flip them? Is that the deal? No? Okay. Wait, how did it work back there? I'm confused. Okay, so this is pushing through... Oh, wait a second. Oh, wait. Can I just plug that in there instead? It's still... What? How come that doesn't work, though? Worried my cake layers aren't going to rise very... Ooh, you're making a cake! Too much of the rainbow. Okay. Uh-huh, okay. So that gives me both of those, but then why is it not giving me ears? Like, I would love for this to be here. Bone name. What the fuck are my bone names, dude? Holy shit. I guess that's Noodle Body 1. What the fuck did I call it? Noodle underscore bot or Noodle Cat underscore body 01. Oh, dearie me. I see. Okay. It's not doing what I was hoping for. Okay, well I fucked that up. Ignore that shit then. This is also a fucking mess. And then that goes there, that goes there. That's what it was, right? Yeah, okay. So maybe... So I guess I don't have... Oh! That'd be nice if you didn't. A lot of bone modify. I thought I used a lot of bone modify for my bit. Yeah, well... I got a lot of bones, you see. I got a lot of bones. And a lot of ones that are here, but aren't contributing to the animation, so I don't know why they're here. Lots of bones. Okay, fuck. Does it make sense then? I kind of hate this idea though. Keeper of bones, that is me. Let's evaluate frame. Okay. Stop. Okay, my alternative thing for this, which I fucking don't want to do. Yeah, wait, how did I do this in the other project? What the fuck? Also, hi, Fruitsy. How did I do this in the other? Because I would love for my Sleepy to override my face anim and my neck anim. My cake layer's bone morphed correctly? Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Oh, goddamn. Yeah, because right now it triggers the Sleepy, but adds my fucking live link to it. Anim, hardly know him. Amazing. Can I like morph? I can set morph targets. Okay, so maybe it's a matter of doing this. Right, because this is on update anim. Okay. Okay, I think this is probably what I did. Okay. So then maybe... Is it annoying to have a branch on like something that essentially runs every frame? Something tells me that's a bad idea. With my condition being... Oh, you missed! With my condition being live link on. Or this is gonna be annoying because the bone animations lerp. Just because of how we have it set up in the state machine, but then this would not. This is like an on or off. God damn it. Okay, so bad idea, don't do that. Oh dear. I am too small. Would you guys watch my Twitch streams if I were a worm? If I were small? I am a worm. What am I talking about? I made that joke and then I'm like, I'm literally whatever. I'm dropping it. We're so back. We're so back. Okay. Okay, so it's either that. These, I have some sort of like blend multiplier. No, that doesn't make any sense. 5 nim blueprint blend morph target. Apply an additive node in the animation blueprint and then set the animation type of the additive to local space. No, that's not what I want. Fuck. Oh, here we go. Here we go. What is my set morph target? And can I add timelines in here? No. Oh, fuck. How do I do that? Do you do this, Fruitsy? How do you do your sleepy stuff so that it disables live link while you're doing it? Oh. Alright, well at least now we can see a little bit. Because I would like for it to blend, right? Because at least with this, there's like a little bit of a... Oh, don't look at me doing this. There's like a back and forth, which I think is funny. Because then the ears and the eyes move. Like, do I just have to set... hold on. Oh, sorry. There's gotta be a way. There has got to be a way. I think I'm just being silly about it. Right, because this doesn't set everything. This only sets my... what's its butt, you know? I think everything else is here. Right? Like if I disable this, then I move, but my face doesn't. So this triggers my face. I make the lifelink animation part of an alien. What are you talking about? What is an alias? So like, I guess that's one pose, right? So that's not one of these blend pose. Blah. Blah. Like more, or like, can I make a... how am I supposed to set my fucking morph targets? Blech. It's a state. Oh, it's a state? Ooh. 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 I'm brand new to this. Where I have too many tabs open. Nope. This one. Hmm. Oh, state alias. Ooh. What is this? Ooh, what is that? Right, because these are states. I didn't even think of anything else. Add comment. Comment. Conduit. Whoa. Okay. Create a transition to an alias. Whoa. What is that? Preset. No. Hold on. Blueprint. Alias. What's a state alias? What the heck? What am I looking at? What am I looking at? Okay. Conduits. Conduits can be used to create one-to-many, many-to-one, or... Oh, okay. So you can... Okay. Not what I'm interested in, though. State alias. As you build more complicated state machines with many states and ways to transition between them, you may want to use state aliases to improve your graph. State aliases are shortcut type nodes that you can add to your state machine to reduce line Oh, okay. So you don't have to do all this stupid shit. Two falling. Oh, where that's your fall loop. Wait, I'm confused. They work by defining which states can be transitioned, or can transition into it, then the connecting aliases and other states using the normal transition method. Alias example. In this example, a somewhat simple state machine requires the land and locomotion states to transition to both the jump and fall loop states. 4 transitions in total are used, each with their own transition rules. State aliases can be used to clean up this graph. To achieve the same effect, you can do the following. Create an alias and transition it to both the fall loop and the jump states. Does leaving the livelink stuff out of a state not work? Wait, what do you mean? Oh, wait, okay. Yeah, because I have it just in the main animation graph. I have it there all the time. Are you saying that I can add a live link fucking thing in here? Oh my god. Yes, I can. Okay. So only put things in the anim graph that you're gonna have there all the time. I think that makes sense. Like my spring bones and whatnot. Those will be there all the time. Okay. Blend? Layer blend? Maybe not per bone. Isn't there a way that I can just additive, like, combine these? The only way I know is layered blend. I don't know if that's right, but whatever. Oh. Okay, so. In that case, ignore that for now. And if I compile error. Yippee. I see. Get rid of that. Because I only have a couple very simple animation states, so that shouldn't be that bad, but still. Tree sit. Is it the other way? I think it's the other way. Yep. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. So, that being the case... shit, what were my other things? Uppies, I will also do this stuff. Where's Uppies? My naming conventions are great. Uppies. Fuck. Stop. Ha, okay, this actually makes perfect sense. Beep, 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 beep. That's awesome. In that case, we go back out here. And if I just let this play, and I press my button... Okay. Oh, I see. I need to get the head movement with that. Because I can do the head movement, it's not tracking the face, which is what I want. But I also need the head movement in there, which is annoying because it's a bunch of this shit. Can I make this into a function? Oh. Oh. This is organized like ass. Cannot make into a function. Great. Yippee. Because I do find it to be annoying that I would have to move all of this into every state. But I guess it's fine. What's up? What you got? Problem? Can I help? Oh. Oh. You gonna undo it? Okay. Paint colors look yummy. Mine's definitely organized like ass. It's one of the first things I programmed. It's hard. This shit's hard. Ignore that. Okay, yeah, this is just where it gets annoying, right? Because I just feel like I'm doing this transform over and over again. It's like whatever, I guess. It's fine. No. Okay, I will come check. I must evaluate the scarf.
Yeah, we're so back.
Oh, we're so back. Oh my gosh, hi Lusty Buns, how are you? It's usually good to avoid the same thing repeated in different places, so my suggestion may not be the best. Well, I mean, it's like the fact that I can't really do a fucking like function for those kind of makes it really annoying. Like I feel like I have to do that. Unless no, because there's not a way to set, like there's a reason it's in the anim graph instead of the event graph, right? Ugh, okay. So that means Uppies needs it too. One thing I'm learning though is that it kind of feels like a ton of work to like stick with a project and fix it, but it's really not. It's really not. See, because then Sleepy, where's the fucking... I hate how it doesn't just open a new thing when I do this. It like overwrites what's here. So that means Sleepy should have none of that. See, but then I'd need to set a custom pose. Like, how do I do that? How do I almost get like a sequence player, but for morph targets or blend shapes or whatever the fuck, you know? Let me just check that's working though, because we got that. Sleepy. Yeah, no face, no head movement. Awesome. And then we come back. Whee! Oh, Sleepy. Then we come back. Whee! Okay. Yeah. And then we can't ascend from here, which makes sense. And then we go, whee! Okay. Sleepy time! Okay. Hello, kid. What's up, Whiner? I know. You gotta eat, don't you? Oh, you actually do have to eat. Okay, is that you? Okay. I know, I'm just making sure it's not a cat. Okay. Seems like it's going, it's mostly going, we're learning. We're learning, but I think... Because, like, none of this is letting me set morph targets, like, in here. So is that... What are you doing? What are you... Oh, wait, hold on. No, that doesn't make sense. Because I can't set morph targets in here. Why can I only set morph targets in the event graph? It doesn't make any sense. Alright, well, maybe I will tackle that later. That is breaking my brain. So in here, I want to put add blend shape to Sleepy, and maybe we will find somebody to raid. Oh, hi Zuba. Yeah, sorry, I was just looking to wrap up here because it's getting a little late. Took a nap when I got home from work because of grogginess from a potluck. Now it's 8 p.m. and my sleep schedule's messed up. Yeah, that sucks. I've been there. I've been there. Alright, let's see. Who'll be live right now? Who'll be live? It's quite late. Quite late. Yeah, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for hanging out. Happy, if I didn't say it earlier, happy early Thanksgiving to those who celebrate. And I think, well, I'm gonna have to copy paste, and of course I'm in an ad. I think we're gonna go say hi to Boom, because I don't think I've raided into Boom in a long time. It has been a long, long time. Oh my god. Please load. Alright, let's go find Boom. Still in an ad. Still in an ad. There we go. Look, it's Boom. Fellow Unreal Cat VTuber. Let's get this raid going. Yippee! Did I spell it right? Yes, I did. Alrighty. Well, thanks for being here. I'm tired. But I think we did some good stuff today. Did some good work. So, let's go bother Boom. Go say hi. Fingers crossed for Friday? Maybe? I don't know. It's a long weekend for me, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing. But fingers crossed. We'll see what happens. It might be weird, but yeah, let's give it a go. All right, let's go say hi. Hi, Boss Bin. Hooey!